Hello everyone, good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Fernando Givara.
I am Arif Basian Manopo.
I'm Krishna Galih Panuntun.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Mikial Wafi.
Here we will review a local film entitled Shizuki the Movie, from a comic strip to a cinematic satire. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Research abstract. Shizuki the Movie, an animated feature directed by Faza Meong, is a cultural milestone in Indonesian animation history. Adapted from a popular webcomic, the film follows the anti-hero Shizuki as he embarked on a national mission, blending satire, humor, and social commentary in uniquely local contexts. This review critically evaluated the film narrative structure, animation style, and its role in reflecting Indonesia's civic and cultural values. Through the qualitative analysis ref- uh, and imperative reflection, the discussion explored how the film served as a medium of both entertainment and informal civic education. The study finds that Shizuki the movie effectively translates comic-based humor into animated storytelling while study addressing issues of heroism, politics, and national identity, make it vital text for both animation study and civic discourse in Indonesia. Research keyword: Shizuki animation, civic identity, animated satire, and youth culture. Introduction and context. The evolution of animation in Indonesia has long been overshadowed by foreign content. However, Shizuki the movie from 2017 marked a turning point as one of the few Indonesian animated films to achieve commercial and cultural success. Created by Faza Meong, Yuki started as a webcomic character, a loud, erratic, and self-proclaimed anti-mainstream, yet who quickly gained popularity among millennials. The translation from webcomic to the big screen highlights not only the technical growth of Indonesian animation but also the cultural resonance of homegrown character. In the context of civic education, Shizuki the movie provides more than entertainment. It contains a comedic yet insightful commentary of Indonesian society, politics, and media. This review aims to analyze the film content and relevant of the multidimensional lens, animation technique, narrative, social culture context, and civic value. Using the qualitative descriptive method, the review draws connection between animation as art, animation as media, and animation as a civic storytelling.
Review objectives. 1. Narrative analysis, structure and storytelling techniques. 2. Production style, animation techniques and visual aesthetics. 3. Civic commentary, social values and educational content. 4. Audience reception, impact and cultural, cultural significance assessment. Discussion 1. Narrative analysis from comic to cinema. The plot of Shizuki the movie centers around Yuki's accidental promotion to national hero status after saving the day from a falling satellite. His journey from apathy to responsibility parallels the, rec- the, relu- the reluctant hero trope wrapped in the absurdist logic characteristic of Indonesian humor. Unlike typical animated protagonists who strive for greatness, Yuki is dragged into it, making his transformation both comedic and relatable. The film cleverly balanced slapstick comedy with real issues such as government inefficiency, media sensationalism, and public cynicism. Dialogues are packed with local slang, satire, and inside jokes that resonate with Indonesian audience, especially the urban youth. The supporting character ranging from corrupt officials to self-centered celebrities mirror to societal figures many Indonesians recognize in daily life. Two, animation style and production. In terms of visuals, Suzuki the Movie demonstrates a leap forward in Indonesian 2D digital animation. Produced by Falcon Pictures and the studio Pionicon, the film employs clean character design, fluid keyframe motion, and colorful background that bring urban Jakarta to life. While it may not rival the technical finesse of Pixar or Ghibli, the film's strength lies in its style consistency and cultural authenticity. The integration of traditional Indonesian settings with modern animation techniques bridge the local global aesthetic gap. Sound design and voice acting further elevate the experience, with Ari Kriting voicing Yuki in a way that captures his chaotic charm. Musical scoring blends modern pop with Indonesian nuance, supporting emotional and comedic beats effectively.
Next, we have civic values and social criticism. What sets Juki in the movie apart is its layered commentary on civic life. Juki represents the average Indonesian youth, apathetic towards politics, skeptical of authority, and more concerned with memes than movements. However, through absurd circumstances, he is thrust into a national mission, symbolizing how civic responsibility can emerge unexpectedly. This transformation aligns with the values emphasized in Pendidikan Pancasila dan Kewarganegaraan, or Pancasila and Civic Education, in short PPKN. The film indirectly teaches the audience about patriotism, leadership, media literacy, and social criticism. It raises important questions. Who are our real heroes? Is heroism always intentional? How can the media shape or distort national narratives? This makes Ichuki not only a cultural product, but also a civic tool. Through humor, it invites viewers, particularly students and young adults, to reflect on their roles in society. Unlike moralistic PSAs, the film engages the audience emotionally and intellectually, which aligns with modern character education approaches, such as those proposed by Thomas Licona in 1991 and Jane Piaget in 1972. And then we have the audience reception analysis. Upon release, Shizuki the movie attracted over 700,000 viewers within a few weeks, a notable achievement for local animation. Its success reflects the market demand for local content that resonates with the Indonesian values and humor. The film's commercial reception proves that Indonesian youth are eager for characters they can relate to culturally and linguistically. More importantly, the film sparked online discussions about the state of animation, national pride, and the potential of local IPs or intellectual properties. Educational institutions have also shown interest in using segments of the film for learning, particularly in civics and media literacy classes. This crossover between entertainment and education aligns with the current academic discussions on media convergence and transmedia learning.
Okay, next conclusion. Shizuki the movie is more than just an animated comedy. It is a cultural and educational milestone in Indonesian cinematic landscape. Through satire, relatable character, and civic undertone, the film managed to entertain while subtly encourage viewers to reflect on national identity, media, and responsibility. It successfully adapted a webcomic ethos into a cinematic format without losing its cultural roots. The film exemplifies how animation can serve as a both popular entertainment and a platform for civic engagement, especially for younger audience, for educator, content creator, and civic institution. Shizuki the movie offers a fresh approach to storytelling that is both meaningful and marketable. Future developments in Indonesian animation so build on this foundation by investing in original storytelling that reflect local experience and value, with stronger institutional support and creative collaboration. Film like Shijugi can become a part of a broader movement that shapes not only national cinema. And then next, academic recommendation. One, investment focus, support original local stories and character. Two, curriculum integration, include animated films in civic education. Three, industry collaboration, con creator, educator, and institution.
And yeah, because our presentation is not in class, but it's at home, so I don't think we will be able to hold a Q&A session. So that's enough for our review of the film Shizuki the movie. I hope we can get a new views and knowledge related to this presentation. That's all from us, and see you later. Bye bye. Bye
See
bye.
you. Bye bye. Thank
Bye.
you.